Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. So today we are continuing our chapter 14th, and today we are going to start our exercise 14.4. Okay, so here are the some of the formulas which I have written here. Like the area of the rectangle is equals to the length multiplied with breadth. Length is multiplied with breadth is the formula of the area of the rectangle. What is the area of trapezium formula? Area of trapezium is equals to the sum of the parallel sides. Sum of the parallel side. The shape of the trapezium is like this. Here one pair of the lines having the parallels. Okay, one pair of the lines are parallel. Okay, so the sum of the parallel lines divide by 2, sum of the parallel lines divide by 2, then multiply with height, multiply with its height, multiply it with its height. Okay, so where h is equals to height. Now this is the formula of the area of the trapezium. If we need to find it out the area of this like of figure, we will put the formula of this area sum of the parallel sides. These are the parallel sides. These both sides are the parallel to each other. They does not bisect each other. So these both lines are parallel to each other. So we'll sum both the length of these sides and then divide it by 2 and multiply it with our height. The height is this. This is the height. This is the height. This is the height. Okay. Now the area of the rhombus. What is the formula of the area of rhombus? The area, what are the first the properties of the rhombus क्या होती है? All the four sides are of equal. Correct, and the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. This is the property of the rhombus. Now the area of the rhombus is equals to the half of the product of the diagonals. Half of the product of the diagonals. Diagonals means AB CD. So diagonal D1 and diagonal D2, half of the product of the diagonals. So the area of the rhombus is equals to the half of the product of diagonals D1 and D2, half of the product of the diagonals D1 and D2. Okay, this is the formula of the area of rhombus, and the area of trapezium is the sum of the parallel lines divide by 2 and multiply it with height. Okay, now coming to our question first in our exercise 14.4. Here the question number 1 is saying that a rectangular lawn of the length 50 meter. एक rectangular lawn है जिसका length कितना है 50 meter है and its breadth is 30 meter. It is surrounded by externally. Surrounded means इसको cover किया गया है, इसके चारों तरफ एक और क्या है ground, एक path बनाया गया है. ठीक है, एक्सटर्नली बाय अ पाथ विच इज 2 मीटर वाइड, जो कि क्या है जिसकी चौड़ाई कितनी है 2 मीटर है. इट्स विड्थ इज 2 मीटर. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द पाथ. वी नीड टू फाइंड इट आउट द एरिया ऑफ दिस पाथ. So what the figure is making at the outside, it is in a rectangle. If we subtract the area of an outer rectangle by the area of the inner rectangle, then what we will get? We will get the area of this path. Correct. हमें if we subtract the area of the external rectangle by the area of the internal rectangle, then what the area we will get? We will get the area of its path. Correct. So here we will going to find it out. First the area of the big rectangle. This is the bigger rectangle. Okay, and we will subtract the area of the smaller rectangle. Okay, so area of the bigger rectangle is equals to क्या होता है हमारा rectangle का area का formula क्या है? Length into breadth. Length multiply with breadth. Okay, so what the length of the bigger rectangle? 50 is of smaller, then 50 plus 2 this and 2 this, so it will be 54. 54 multiply with the height is 34. Subtracting the area of smaller, 50 multiply with 30. Okay, so after multiplying this 54 multiply with 34, we get 1836 meter square. It is subtracted by the 50 multiply with 30 means internal area of this rectangle. So we get, on subtracting the area, we will get the value 336. Understood? What we have done here, we have just subtracted the area of the bigger rectangle by the area of a smaller rectangle. Okay, and the formula of the rectangle we knows that the length into breadth. Correct. So the area of the bigger rectangle, length, what is the value of the length? Length will comes by adding this smaller rectangle length plus the width on both the sides, of this smaller rectangle. So it will be 50 plus 2 and plus 2, it means it will be the 54 its length, and the height is given us to 34. Correct? Coming to our question number second. In this, two crossroads, each of the 2 meter width runs at the right angles through the center of the rectangle park of the length 64 meter. This is the length of the park, that is 64 meter. The breadth is 38 meter. This is the breadth of the 38 meter, such that each of the parallel to one of the sides of the rectangle. Find the area of the roads. We need to find it out the area of this road, also find the area of the remaining part of the park. Okay, first we need to find it out the area of this road. Then if we subtract the area of this road from this area of this complete rectangle, we will get the area of this remaining part. Correct? So our first part is we need to find it out the area of the crossroad along the length of the park. So what we having this figure as a rectangular figure. Okay, so this is an 64 multiply with 2 is its breadth. Correct? So this is a length and this is the breadth. So get multiplying this length multiply with breadth. This is the length, this is the breadth. Okay, so हमने यहाँ क्या किया है, पहले इस रेक्टेंगल का हम एरिया निकालेंगे. इट विल बी द लेंथ, इसकी क्या हो जाएगी, इसके इक्वल है 64 के. 64 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 2 वी विल गेट 128 मीटर स्क्वायर. Now finding the area of the crossroad along its breadth. Along its breadth means इस breadth के along में ये वाला इस रोड का हम एरिया निकालेंगे. So it will be the 2 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 38, क्योंकि ये जो है 38 है तो ये भी इसकी भी कितनी होगी लेंथ 38. 38 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 2 वी विल गेट 76. ओके, सो हमें ये वाला एरिया मिल गया. लेकिन हमारा देखिए यहाँ पे ये जो बीच वाला जो सेंटर जो एरिया वो क्या आ रहा है, कॉमन आ रहा है, 2 टाइम्स आ रहा है. यानी कि हमने जब इस रोड का एरिया निकाला तब भी ये वाला पोर्शन आया, जब हमने इस रोड का एरिया निकाला तब भी ये पोर्शन आया. तो हमें 1 टाइम इस एरिया को वापस सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होगा. सो द एरिया ऑफ द कॉमन टू द रोड्स वेयर दे क्रॉस ईच अदर. ये जो क्रॉसिंग कर रहे हैं ईच अदर को, ये कॉमन एरिया आ गया. तो कॉमन एरिया का क्या हो जाएगा, ये इसमें कितनी है, विड्थ कितनी है 2 है और लेंथ भी कितनी है 2 है. सो 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2 विल गेट 4 मीटर स्क्वायर. तो जो इन दोनों का रोड्स का जो टोटल एरिया है उसमें से हम ये 4 मीटर स्क्वायर जो आया वो हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. तो दोनों रोड्स का 2 क्रॉस रोड्स का टोटल एरिया कितना आया था 128 प्लस 76. इसमें से हम जो कॉमन एरिया है उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे 1 टाइम, दैट इज 4. सो वी गेट द 200 मीटर स्क्वायर द एरिया ऑफ द क्रॉस रोड्स. नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड इट आउट द एरिया ऑफ द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड. सो हाउ वी विल फाइंड इट आउट, we will subtract the area of this complete rectangle by the area of this crossroads. Okay, so first we will need to find it out the area of this complete rectangular park. So the area of the remaining part of the park is equals to the क्या हो जाएगा हमारा area of this rectangle. The complete area of this rectangle का फॉर्मूला क्या हमारे पास, length into breadth. Length multiply with breadth. So length value is 64. So 64 will get multiply with 38. So 64 is multiplied with 38. We need to subtract it by this crossroad area. So crossroad area is equals to we have find it out at here, that is 200 meter square. So we will subtract it this by 200 meter square. So after subtracting we will get the value, the remaining part of this rectangle, that is equals to 2232 meter square. Correct? Please watch this video again and again so you will get clear what the process we need to solve these type of questions. Okay, अगर कोई डाउट होता है तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को रिवाइंड कीजिए, पीछे बैक साइड कीजिए और वापस से आप इसे देखिए, तो आपको इजीली समझ में आएगा कि हमने एक्चुअली किया क्या है इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने में. करेक्ट है ना. हमने इसमें सबसे पहले क्या किया है, क्रॉस रोड अलॉन्ग विथ द लेंथ हमने एरिया निकाला फर्स्ट स्टेप में. सेकंड स्टेप में हमने क्रॉस रोड अलॉन्ग विथ ब्रेड्थ के अलॉन्ग में हमने इसका एरिया निकाला. फिर जो ये एरिया बीच में कॉमन आ रहा है दोनों टाइम में, उसमें से 1 टाइम हम ये कॉमन एरिया को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. correct. Okay, so after subtracting the common area from this sum of this crossroads, we will get the area of this crossroad. Now we need to find it out the area of the remaining part of the park. So what we will do, we will find it out the first the area of the complete park, then we will subtract the area of this crossroad, so we will get the area of this remaining part of the park, correct. Now coming to our question number 5th. The dimension of the rectangular plot are 35 meter and 20 meter. Why? A path of the uniform width is 2 meter is built along the border and inside it. Okay. Find out the cost paving the path with the bricks at 25 square meter, and also the cost of covering the remaining part of the plot with the grass at the 19 rupees per meter square. Okay, so here we need first find it out the length of the what the length of the rectangle plot is given to us 35, what the breadth is given to us that is 20. so area of the rectangular plot कितना हो जाएगा, पूरा rectangular plot का area कितना हो जाएगा, length multiply with breadth होता है, so length is 35 multiply with 20, you will get here 700 meter square. Now the length of the small rectangle, what is the length of this small rectangle, it will be the 35 में से हम subtract करेंगे 2 and 2 means 4 subtract कर देंगे, तो 35 में से if we subtract that is 4, this 2 and this 2, यहाँ से भी 2 subtract करेंगे, यहाँ से भी 2 subtract करेंगे, तो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगी, remaining length आ जाएगी smaller rectangle की, so it will be the 35 में से हम subtract करेंगे 2 plus 2 that is 4 subtract करेंगे 35 में से हमारे पास आ जाएगा 31. नाउ द न्यू ब्रेड्थ ऑफ द स्मॉलर रेक्टेंगल क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ से भी 2 and 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, 20 में से 2 plus 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे मीन्स 20 में से 4 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा 16. We will get 16 as an breadth of this smaller rectangle. Now the area of the smaller rectangle will be the length multiplied with breadth, that is 31 multiplied with 16, we will get 496 meter square. So here we get the area of this complete bigger rectangle. Now the area of this smaller rectangle also. Now we need to find it out the area of the path. So how we will find it out the area of the path, so area of the path is equals to the area of the, we will subtract the area of this rectangle, bigger rectangle, by the area of a smaller rectangle, correct. So area of bigger rectangle minus is area of a smaller rectangle, so area of bigger rectangle क्या आया 700 meter square minus area of smaller rectangle that is 496, we will get 204 meter square. Now we need to find it out the cost of paving the path with the bricks at the rate of 25 meter square. So we will multiply this 204 multiply with 25, we will get the rate of the paving the bricks, okay, for the path, and the cost of covering the remaining part with the plots with the grass at the rate of 19. So what we will do, we will multiply this 496 by the 19, we will get the 9424 as an the rupees, okay, correct. Now please do questions 1 to 6 in your notebook, okay, thank you.